When it comes to sustainable energy solutions for farms, biogas, solar, and wind power, each offer unique benefits and challenges. Let's explore which option might be the best fit for agricultural needs. Biogas stands out for its multiple benefits beyond energy production. It effectively manages farm waste, reducing pollution potential. By converting waste into energy, it also produces valuable fertilizer as a byproduct. Importantly, biogas can significantly cut down methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas. Unlike solar or wind, biogas provides a reliable energy output 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Solar power is celebrated for its clean energy production and ease of use. It requires low maintenance, making it an attractive option for many farms. However, its efficiency is heavily dependent on weather conditions and daylight availability, which can limit its reliability as a consistent energy source. Wind energy is capable of generating high output, with a single turbine supplying power to thousands of homes. However, like solar, it suffers from intermittent power generation. Additionally, wind turbines are often criticized for their visual impact on landscapes, which some find unappealing. Each energy source, biogas, solar, and wind, offers distinct advantages beyond simply an income for the farm, and all have drawbacks. The best choice for a farm depends on specific needs, including energy reliability, environmental impact, and aesthetic considerations. Balancing these factors will guide the optimal sustainable energy solution.